Samsung refrigerators are unique in today's kitchens because they combine smart technology, stylish design, and useful storage. Samsung has solutions that make it simple to organize groceries, keep produce fresh, and cool drinks, from roomy French doors to adaptable side-by-side models. Numerous types of LED illumination, movable shelves, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, and sophisticated cooling systems that keep temperatures constant throughout. Convenience is elevated to a whole new level by clever integrations like Family Hub, SmartThings, and AI Energy Management, which allow you to manage calendars, monitor groceries, play music, and even operate other smart devices from your refrigerator. Samsung refrigerators offer design, functionality, and a hint of tech-savvy magic, whether you're looking for a big capacity, creative ice alternatives, or state-of-the-art connection. Number 7. Samsung RF27CG5010S9. The Samsung RF27CG5010S9 French door refrigerator is worth a look if you're searching for a refrigerator that combines design, room, and clever functionality. It's ideal for families who enjoy stockpiling groceries without feeling crowded because of its enormous 27 cubic feet of counter-depth storage. You may select between traditional cubed ice and ice bites that chill your drinks more quickly thanks to the 3-door design and dual auto ice maker. This tiny innovation can make daily living feel a bit cooler. It has a contemporary, seamless appearance in any kitchen thanks to its smooth, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish and flat-front, low-profile handles. Tall bottles and large platters may be accommodated by the adjustable slide-in shelves, and the all-around cooling system maintains constant temperatures throughout, prolonging the freshness of fruits, vegetables, and leftovers. Additionally, SmartThings energy integration makes energy efficiency easier than ever by enabling you to monitor and control power usage directly from your phone. No appliance is flawless, of course. Although it's roomy and fashionable, counter-depth versions often offer somewhat less inside space than standard-depth units, and some people may find the 3-door configuration a little difficult to get used to. Nevertheless, it offers ease and peace of mind thanks to its 10-year compressor guarantee, easy-to-reach controls, and ADA compliance. All things considered, this refrigerator strikes a good mix between useful features, state-of-the-art technology, and sophisticated appearance, making it a wise addition to any contemporary kitchen. Number 6. Samsung RF28R7201SR. The 28 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator, Samsung RF28R7201SR, is made to simplify and organize kitchen life. Its Flex Zone TM drawer, which has 4 temperature settings so you can store anything from meats to drinks at the perfect temperature, is one of its best features. Fruits, vegetables, and leftovers stay fresher for longer thanks to the refrigerator's twin cooling system plus TM, which maintains the freezer and refrigerator areas at ideal humidity. Another ingenious feature is SmartThings AI Energy, which lets you monitor and cut energy use directly from your phone, saving you money without compromising convenience. The 28 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator, Samsung RF28R7201SR, is made to simplify and organize kitchen life. Its Flex Zone drawer, which has 4 temperature settings so you can store anything from meats to drinks at the perfect temperature, is one of its best features. Fruits, vegetables, and leftovers stay fresher for longer thanks to the refrigerator's twin cooling plus, which maintains the freezer and refrigerator areas at ideal humidity. Another ingenious feature is SmartThings AI Energy, which lets you monitor and cut energy use directly from your phone, saving you money without compromising convenience. If you're used to conventional layouts, the 4-door design may take some getting used to, and standard depth models like this one can offer a little less storage than full depth units. Nevertheless, it is user-friendly, ADA compliant, and supported by Samsung's stellar reputation. Overall, this refrigerator is a terrific option for contemporary kitchens since it strikes a nice balance between smart technology, adaptable storage, and gorgeous style. Number 5. Samsung RF32CG5300SR. The Samsung RF32CG5300SR is a 32 cubic foot French door refrigerator with 3 doors that packs a lot of storage into a sleek, contemporary design. Its enormous capacity allows it to accommodate bulkier things and big supermarket hauls without feeling crowded. The indoor beverage center, which offers instant access to chilled, filtered water either from the built-in autofill water pitcher or the internal dispenser, is one of its best features. It makes staying hydrated more convenient and enjoyable. Another highlight is the dual auto ice maker, which allows you to choose between traditional cubed ice and ice bits, which cool drinks more quickly so your drinks are always ready when you need them. Tall bottles and large platters are easily accommodated by the adjustable slide-in shelves, while all-around cooling keeps every area at the ideal temperature. longer, prolonging the freshness of fruits, vegetables, and leftovers. Additionally, you can monitor and control energy consumption directly from your phone thanks to SmartThings Energy integration, which also provides you with useful advice on how to use less electricity. There are certain trade-offs, of course. If you're accustomed to conventional two-door refrigerators, the three-door layout may require some adjustment, and standard depth designs like this one may offer somewhat less space inside than deeper ones. Nevertheless, it is simple to use, ADA compliant, and made of stainless steel that resists fingerprints for easy cleaning. All things considered, this refrigerator combines clever technology and it's versatile. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke. More than just a refrigerator, the Samsung Bespoke Family Hub RF90F29EECR is a clever focal point for any contemporary kitchen. It provides ample capacity for groceries while maintaining accessibility and organizing thanks to its 4-door French door design and 29 cubic feet of standard depth storage. The AI Family Hub Plus, which has a 32-inch touchscreen and transforms your refrigerator into a control and entertainment center, is its most notable feature. From the refrigerator door, you can check recipes, stream music and videos, share pictures, and control your smart home appliances. Although some products may require manual labeling based on placement, the AI vision inside even detects certain items and tracks what goes in and out, assisting you in keeping track of what's accessible. Features that are useful also stand out. For meat, fish, or fruit, the Flex Zone drawers, 5 temperature settings from soft freeze to refrigerator can be adjusted. Food is kept fresher for longer thanks to Twin Cooling Plus, which keeps the refrigerator and freezer compartments at optimal humidity and temperature. Filtered water is easily accessible from the autofill water pitcher or the dispenser at the inner beverage center, and it can even be flavor infused. For quicker chilled drinks, dual auto ice machines provide ice bites or cubed ice. The refrigerator has trade-offs, of course. Although the auto open doors are handy, they don't shut on their own, and in order to fully utilize the advanced capabilities, you need Wi-Fi and a Samsung account. Nevertheless, this refrigerator combines cutting-edge smart technology with useful adaptable storage, making it a true focal point for connected kitchens. It has a sleek charcoal glass and stainless steel finish, fingerprint-resistant surfaces, and an AI inverter compressor covered by a 10-year warranty. Number 3. Samsung RF32CG5400SR. A 31 cubic foot French door refrigerator with 3 doors, the Samsung RF32CG5400SR combines smart functionality with enormous capacity. It fits easily into most kitchens thanks to its standard depth design, yet it still provides plenty of room for large grocery excursions and bulkier things. The triple ice maker system, which offers 4 ice options, classic cubed or ice bites from the freezer drawer, and curved or crushed ice from the external dispenser, is one of its most striking features. This ensures that every drink is precisely cooled to your preference. Tall bottles and big platters may fit on the fridge's movable slide-in shelves, and it also has a handy external water dispenser for easy access to filtered water. Fruits, vegetables, and leftovers stay fresher for longer thanks to metal cooling technology and all-around cooling. SmartThings Energy adds even more convenience by allowing you to monitor and control power usage from your phone and get useful energy-saving advice. Naturally, there are trade-offs in every refrigerator. Although the standard depth design saves space, compared to deeper variants, it might provide a little less inside area. The variety of ice alternatives is great, although switching between them does take some getting accustomed to. Nevertheless, this refrigerator strikes a mix between design, functionality, and smart technology with its elegant recessed handles, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish, and ADA-compliant controls, making it a good competitor for any modern kitchen looking to maximize both space and convenience. Number 2. Samsung RS270T5200SR. The 27.4 cup Samsung RS270T5200SR side-by-side refrigerator combines smart cooling technology, design, and convenience. It fits well in most kitchens due to its standard depth design, which also provides enough space for groceries, especially large or tall things. The refrigerator has an ice maker and an exterior dispenser that puts ice and water at your fingers. It is a flexible addition for busy homes because you can select from a variety of ice options to suit your drinks. Organization and storage are also excellent points. Large platters or higher bottles can be easily accommodated by the adjustable slide-in shelves, and the all-around cooling system guarantees that the temperature remains constant throughout. Fruits, vegetables, and leftovers stay fresher for longer thanks to metal cooling, which helps maintain ideal internal temperatures. SmartThings electricity integration adds convenience and possible cost savings by enabling you to monitor your refrigerator's power usage from your phone and providing advice on how to use less electricity. It has some trade-offs, of course. Although the standard depth design is kitchen-friendly, it somewhat restricts the maximum storage capacity, and because it is a side-by-side type, the freezer area may feel smaller than that of French door designs. However, this fridge strikes a mix between use and design thanks to its sleek, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surface, contemporary recessed handles, accessible ADA-compliant controls, and energy-efficient features. It's a good option for anyone searching for a dependable, large-capacity refrigerator that keeps your food fresh, beverages cool, and kitchen looking contemporary. Number 1. Samsung RS270 5561SR. The 27 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator Samsung Family Hub RS270 5561SR gives your kitchen a whole new level of communication. This refrigerator serves as a focal point for your family's hectic life in addition to keeping your groceries fresh. From the refrigerator door, you can use the Family Hub touchscreen to stream music, watch films, share pictures, take notes, and even manage calendars. Additionally, it interacts with Alexa and SmartThings, allowing you to monitor your front door camera, manage compatible appliances, and change your temperature without ever leaving the kitchen. The refrigerator's inside has been carefully planned for daily use. It has LED lighting that illuminates each shelf, an integrated ice maker, an external water dispenser for easy access to cold water and ice, and a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surface to prevent smudges. You may efficiently arrange your food with the aid of 2 clear drawers, large gallon door bins, and adjustable glass shelves. All-around cooling maintains uniform temperatures throughout. The Family Hub has many smart capabilities, but it depends on Wi-Fi and compatible devices, which can be problematic if your setup isn't fully linked. Additionally, its standard depth design may seem a little restrictive for families who frequently store large items. Nevertheless, the RS270 5561SR is perfect for anyone wishing to simplify kitchen life, maintain family relationships, and keep their food fresh and accessible because it combines excellent functionality, modern style, and smart home convenience. From sleek French doors to innovative Family Hub models, Samsung refrigerators prove that style, technology, and convenience can coexist seamlessly in any modern kitchen. Whether you need extra space for groceries, versatile ice options, or smart integrations that let you manage your home from the fridge, there's a model to fit every lifestyle. Features like all-around cooling, adjustable shelves, fingerprint-resistant finishes, and SmartThings connectivity make daily life easier, fresher, and more organized. Of course, every fridge has trade-offs. Standard depth designs save space, but may offer slightly less storage, but the balance of functionality, design, and tech keeps Samsung at the top. Don't wait to upgrade your kitchen. Do it today and experience the perfect blend of innovation and practicality with a Samsung refrigerator.